I'm Nick, and today I'm going to show you how to make easy slime. All you're going to need is some of this stuff. Now this is stuff you put in a little straw and you blow on it to make big bubbles. So, this is how you use it. So you're going to take a lid off, put it on backwards, just stick it on. And as you see, when it comes out, it starts to look slimy. I'm going to take it out and show you what it feels like. It's not sticky, but it's really stretchy. So today I'm going to be mixing red, blue, and green together. Now the red might be a little, you know what I mean, it might dry your hands and make it look red. Let's just check and see. Now the red's really liquidy. It might make your hands red. So let's not lose the red today. As you can see, when I poked it, it went red. So let's not do red today. Basically, when you mix blue and green together, it makes a dark blue. Now these are fun, easy, and awesome to play with. And I'm sure these only cost $1 at the Dollar General. They don't have to be the same exact brand as mine. But we're going to mix all of it out. You can leave a little if you want to blow a bubble. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to pause the video and show you what it looks like after. If you want to, you can cut the bottom and get most of it out. But this is the easier way to do it. You can see, as it comes out, it gets more. This is what it looks like right now. As you can see, it's kind of making my desk all sticky. Now, I have another idea to do this with. You can put some of this stuff on your table and hit it against there, just to not make a mess on your desk. Now you're going to take the blue and do the same exact thing. We're going to try to get the bottom off. There we go. There we go. It's coming out already. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to want to mix it up with the blue. After you get all of it off, you're going to want to mix it together and try not to get any of the white styrofoam on. This is perfectly normal if it does this. Trust me. Now, if it does some of the color on your hands, like this, you're going to want to get some borax and stick it in here. It's the most easiest way to do that. I'm going to leave mine to dry. After, this is what it should look like. Pretty cool, huh? Now this is an easy DIY slime. And it's pretty fun to play with. And it's pretty stressful. So you're gonna want to play with this. Bye. Hope you had fun playing with your slime. Bye.